Now, before I show you all this house, let me just set the scene real fast. Imagine grabbing a cup of coffee 5 minutes from the beach and actually getting to enjoy it. That's the type of lifestyle Tidewater in Fort Pierce offers. There's a pool, sidewalk, and the HOA even covers your lawn. You're close to I-95, downtown Fort Pierce, and the beach. This is the Sandpiper model. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and just over 1,800 square feet. This model starts at about $325 depending on your upgrades and your lot. So if this looks like it would work for you, call me, text me, let's make this happen, okay? Now as you can see, this downstairs have a nice open space. The kitchen and the living room mesh into one. It's a 2-story. All the bedrooms are upstairs. There's a half bathroom down here right around this corner, and all the living spaces down here. Let's head upstairs. Now as you can see, this is actually like a little workspace. But as soon as you get up here, you can see there's the bedrooms right in front of you. Now, this is the best part of the house to me. I love that this bedroom joins the 2 rooms. I think you don't find this very often, at least to me, you don't see this very often. But when you come back out here, you can see this could be a little workspace right at the top of the stairs. But you also see to the right, we have the washer and dryer. I love that everything is upstairs so that you don't have to be running up and down the stairs. Now, wow, into the master. This is where you end the day. Look how spacious and beautiful the natural light. I love this room just because of that. And we have our little closet tucked away right here. You don't need a lot of space. This is perfect for, like I said, your snowbirds, or just if you want something a little bit low maintenance. Don't forget, this model starts at about $325 depending on your upgrades and your lot. So if you would like to see this home in person, call me or text me. I would love to show it to you.